Hey guys, it's Jodie and welcome back to my channel. So it's been a couple of months since I've been using my iPhone 8 Plus here, and obviously I use it every single day because it is my one and only phone. In my unboxing video, which I actually link up here, so many of you have asked me to do a what's on my iPhone video. At first I really didn't understand why people want to see what's on my iPhone. I mean, I just use it pretty much for the normal stuff like calls and messengers and things like that. I don't really use it for anything special. Since so many of you want to know what's on my iPhone, I decided, you know what, this channel is for you guys, and if that's what you guys want to watch, I will make one for you. Before I start off, I just wanted to show you guys my little phone case. So I've got this little pink bow one. It's just got a white case, and these ones are from a company called Chroma, if I'm not mistaken. They have heaps of options, a lot of them, and you pretty much just choose the back and you can keep the sides and just change up your design, which I thought was really interesting, and they're really protective, really sturdy. Actually, I struggle so much putting them on and off that it's been super protective, and you guys all know I was very bad with my success and I cracked the screen, and you guys a lot just kind of like told me off I'm too rough with my phone, which I probably am, but I guess this case actually really held up and I really love it. So it's just really cute little bows. I'll leave a link of them down below. I'll see if I've got a discount code for you guys as well, so you can save some money. If I do end up getting one, I'll put it just in front here and also link it down below. Let's get into the actual video. As you can see on the lock screen, it's just me here, and it kind of actually moves if I press hard on it. Just unlock that, and on my home screen here I just have a picture of us in Disneyland, just a few of us friends that we went to Europe. If you haven't watched that Europe vlog, I'll just link it up here as well. So I guess the very front page I have my calendar, so the date today. I don't really do anything on my calendar, so it's just there. Oops, get out of that. Photos, I've got heaps of photos, mostly for my Instagram. If you guys want to see how I edit my Instagram photos, just let me know and I can probably teach you guys as well. So camera, weather, just check the weather report every day. So I mean, nothing really interesting, right? Navigation, I'm really bad with my directions, so I'll always have to use it. So I've got Google Maps and I've got Apple Maps. I do use Google most of the time, just because I can select no toll and just more convenient. And in notes I just put my shopping list and some songs I want to download, or bank details. I probably won't show you those. Clock is just my alarm, so today I woke up at 10 AM. I don't know if that helps. I just edit that and I just change it daily. I don't really use anything else. Stopwatch sometimes. Timers mostly for break to see how long I have left. And Gmail, so Gmail I do use quite a lot, mostly for uni stuff. I'm not going to bore you with those, so that's purely my uni inbox. Mail, I have 26 of them at the moment. I do get a lot of emails and I do check it on daily. So I've got my Hotmail and my like Instagram and YouTube mail, so I check both of those. App Store, download apps, you know the drill. In health, to be honest, I don't use anything here, not even iBooks. Sometimes I use Find Friends, so I've got a few friends so you know where they are. But to be honest, all these things I really do not use. Sometimes I used to use iMovie on my phone to edit my videos, but I have since stopped that and I use my computer now. So contacts, same thing again, just my contacts. Calculator and Safari, you know the drill. I don't know, like I really don't know what to show you guys. Hundreds and hundreds of you have asked me to do one, so here it is. So my bank, I've got Westpac. Optus is for my phone bill and my phone, and ING, so just what I use. I've got Google Drive to share files with friends, and my Centrelink. OneNote, if you want to see my lecture notes, you can if you really want to. It's here. So I've just got all my lectures, and yeah, so you can just click onto them, and I've got it here. I can study it while I'm on the go or something like that. So that connects directly to my laptop. On my social, I have all my social media. So I've got Skype, Twitter, just Between used to be an app that you can share photos with your significant other. I really don't use xoxo anymore. WhatsApp, yes. Bitmoji, downloaded it just for fun. WeChat, mostly for family, and I don't know why I have Seek Job here. So yeah, that's to find jobs if you need. Photography, this is probably one of the most used ones. So I've got Tool. If you guys want to see how I edit my Instagram photos, let me know. So because I use Tool a lot. So that's to like change blemishes and like just edit pretty much like low-key Photoshop, but not as advanced. Snapseed is probably like my life savior. This is like the main app I use to do my photos, and you can do heaps of things on that. So most of these, and this is Visco Cam, I'm pretty sure you all know about it, is for just a layout for all my Instagram photos. So this is just like a sneak peek of it. Yeah. And then Instax Share is for my printer, for my little Instax Mini 8. So you can those Polaroid photos that you print out. So that connects directly onto my Instax Share. Layers, just to, so sometimes I want to compare photos. Camera Connect, this Canon one, is for my camera that I'm using right now. So I can directly transfer photos in and out, but I do need to connect it to that Wi-Fi. Play Memory used to be the old camera. This was my old camera. I don't use this anymore. Pick Collage more, so Camera 360, just like some filters and yeah, things like that. And just more like kind of collagey making things. But what I really want to show you is focus. For example, I choose this dog. I can pick what to focus on. So I can click on the cake goes into focus, and I can change how much it blurs at the background versus this little bit. Or if I don't want the cake to be in focus, I can click on the dog, and then now everything else will be out of focus. So I absolutely love this app right here. So it's called Focus. Shopping, just most of my shopping, like Rewardo, I use quite a bit. Collect points. Wish, I love Wish. I did do a Wish haul. I'll also link it up top. I love Wish, it's so good, such good deals. Games, never really use. I used to love Candy Crush, really don't do anything on it anymore. And Pokemon Go seems to be like a year old now, and no one plays it anymore. Travel, PTV I use sometimes for public transport, for buses and trains. Tram Tracker, not so often. Airbnb, just to book things. And I have no idea what Kitchen Story is. I really don't know what this is. Origins of Ice Cream. What on earth is this? I think it's like recipes, but I didn't purge through my phone, so I don't really know what it is. So obviously I never used that app. Instagram, I use plenty. Got all my link down here, so just kind of like just your normal stuff. Facebook, use plenty as well, just for chatting with friends. eBay, good deals, love good eBay. Swerkit, this one is a workout app. To be honest, I downloaded it, never really used it. So you can do strength, and you can like pick full body, and then you can either select workout or you can customize, and it'll just pretty much like teach you how to do it. It just tells you like they have a person doing it, and yeah, and you can set in your plan. It was a really good idea. I think I'm just lazy, to be honest. Anytime that tracks when I go to the gym, so every time I key in, it logs it for me. It's a bit of a slower app, but I like it to track my progress, I say. So this month I've been 6 times, which is not a lot. So you can see what time I check in, what day, and which gym I go to. So normally I visit 11 weeks visits. That's pretty good month. So like sometimes like in February I only went once. And 6 times in June, 6 times in May, 8 times in April. So roughly like once a week, a little bit more. So now I'm on holiday, I probably should go some more. So that's pretty much all I do there. Period tracker, I love this thing. So I don't know if it's too much information, if you even cares. I've got 9 days left until I ovulate. So it's a really good for the girls out there. This is really good app to keep track of your period, to see when you're going to get your period, and also like your pregnancy chance. I don't know how accurate that is, but I do study reproduction, so this is pretty accurate, and I guess it's got some science behind it. But I really just use it to know how many days before I get my period and if I'm on time or not. So that's the period tracker. It is free to download as well. YouTube, you're on it right now. We all love it. Don't need to go much into it. Shazam, yeah, if I hear a good song either on the radio, playing in a shopping center, playing in a restaurant, I'll just start tapping Shazam and I'll like bring it up to the little speaker up top and I'll be like, what song is this? And it directly links me to iTunes as well, and I can just download straight away because I do have Apple Music. Vamp, it's like an app for influencers. You can like sign up for different products and not really, sign up to different programs and like they pay you if you get selected. Don't really use that actually. Messenger, you know the drill, chat to friends, and I love Snapchat. Like, let's see, I can put like a little filter on. This is like Inception, isn't it? So you've got little bunny ears. Oh, like this is like my favorite. Gives you such big eyes, and this one's cute too. So yeah, I love Snapchat. So if you haven't added me, I will put my little username just down here, which I know a lot of you follow me on Snapchat as well. So yeah. So that's Snapchat. Google Calendar is mostly for my uni timetable. If you're interested, I am on my break at the moment. So I'm on mid-year break. Don't have anything for 2 weeks, and then start my lectures. Like, so that's just my timetable. So yeah. That's pretty much for uni only. My Monash, same thing. Uni app, you can access your core subject and things like that. And next page, I have Spotify, which really I don't use because I do use Apple Music, which I'll go down later. So Spotify, I do have an account, never use it. Temple Run. Oh my god, these games are classics. I don't remember the last time I even swiped to this last page. That's how bad it is. But yeah, so just these games, I don't know why they're not in the games folder. Maybe I should put it in here. See, like games here. Isn't that better, guys? You see, I never play games anymore. I remember in high school, I would just, instead of listening in class, I'll be playing all these games. But yeah, I really never do anymore. Dictionary.com, used to use it a lot when I did French, so like to translate, but never really use anymore. And oh my god, my favorite folder in the world, but to be honest, I never use it either. I just rock into Macca's and KFC and just get the deal because I pretty much know the menu back to front and the prices, so I don't need these apps, but they do give you good deals. So for example, I'm on the Macca's app at the moment, and you can go to my rewards and you can be like $2 for 6 chicken $2 for 6 chicken nuggets. Oh my god, expires today. See, you get like good deals like this and then you get beta to go. Alright, that's really tempting. Anyway, let's close that. It's probably a good idea that I didn't open the app. So yeah, you just get good deals and you know what's near you and things like that. I never really used the KFC app either, even though I did just have KFC like 2 days ago. Don't really know what it's for, to be honest. But yeah, that's pretty much my whole phone. I've got like my calls just down the bottom. Apple Music I do use a lot. I mean, I've got downloaded music. If you look at my songs, I've got it in alphabetical order. I listen to Chinese songs, French songs, Vietnamese songs, English songs, pop, pretty much anything except like I don't really listen to indie music or like R&B. But yeah, I've got literally all the music that you want. And yeah, like what I do is if you want a radio, shuffle through, got different genres like charting now and opera, R&B, pop, things like that. And messages, obviously I have 6, I better check that, and I've got my settings. So that's it for my what's on my iPhone video today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching because I really don't have that much on my iPhone. I don't use it for that many things, mostly for photos, editing, connecting with friends and family, and just like listening to music in the car via Bluetooth. So I hope it wasn't too boring. If you have any cool apps to suggest for me, I am more than happy to hear your suggestions and make my phone more interesting to use actually. If you have any other video requests, please don't hesitate to leave the suggestions down below as well. I love to do these videos for you guys because this channel is pretty much for you guys. If you did enjoy, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe down below. We are so close to 5,000 subscribers and I am so grateful for each and every single one of you because without you guys, I'm just a girl talking to myself in a room in front of a camera, but you guys make it like an actual chat and we get to know each other and we just get to communicate and it's just so much fun. So I hope you guys enjoy watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.